We're going to practice sewing without thread to get a feel for how the machine works. Place the sheet under the presser foot. Once the line is underneath the needle, lower the presser foot. Lower the needle into the paper by turning the hand wheel towards you. Once the needle hits the paper, begin sewing by gently pressing on the foot pedal. Guide the paper so the needle hits the solid line. It's okay if you veer off the line. Gently position the paper so the needle will hit the lines. Once you finish sewing the line, lift up the needle and the presser foot. Repeat the steps for the remaining lines. When you're done sewing all the lines, leave a comment with a photo of your completed practice sheets. Way to go, you did it! Thank you for watching 4 Doll Collectors, your first step to using a sewing machine. You're one step closer to sewing items for your doll. We can't wait to sew with you again. Bye now.